Looking at this product and you want to see if it's right for you, I read all the reviews on their Amazon product page, and I've basically got the gist of what people are wondering to see if, like, what questions they want to ask before they decide to purchase this product. And the number one thing people ask, does it help, does it not heat up, like, does it, and it does have like that protection. If you read into their product description, I don't know the exact thing, but I know it helps not overcharge your laptop, and it also has like a, even the cords and all that have like a layer of like to not overheat. So that's really convenient, and it's also very fast charging. That was the second question: is there fast charging? Yes, it's known to be very fast charging. Now, is it gonna be like 100, 0 to 100 in like 5 minutes? No, that's not gonna happen. But it does charge really fast. That's all that matters. Also, it's travel friendly, so you can. It's very convenient and nice to. It has a Velcro thing, so you can make sure you wrap this up well and put it in your book bag, and you can use it for your Chromebook and all that. And then also, a lot of people ask, will it fit your laptop? I recommend you to look, like I said, look at their product page, because it should have all your answers should be, all your questions should be answered there. But this is how it looks, and if you feel like this will fit, and then like looking at the product page of looking to see what if it's compatible with your laptop, then you should make the good decision on that. How long does the battery actually last with regular use? That I can't answer. I'm sorry. I can't answer that. Also for the price, I feel like it's pretty good. Some chargers, there's some chargers that are way more expensive, where if you bought a charger in the brand name of your laptop, those are usually pricey as well. So for the price point, as long as it charges fast and it gets, as long as your charger doesn't stay dead, that's like the most important thing. As long as your charger doesn't stay dead and it charges and it does it fast in a safe way, I think it's good. And like, sometimes I leave my laptop out for so long charging, and that's really bad. That I shouldn't be doing that. But this helps it, like it stops it for, like once it's 100%, it stops charging. So if you want something like that, then this is definitely the product for you. I feel like this is good for people who work from home and have to use their laptop for work, or students, especially if they're going out a lot, using their laptop everywhere, like from the library to from work to their home. And like it's easy to pack, it's not too bulky. This is not even that bulky, and it's very lightweight too, so none of this is heavy, because some batteries are heavier than others, and this is very much on the light side. So overall, I hope these, let me see, I hope this answers all your questions. Also, like, if it doesn't feel cheap at all, this feels really good. This is like even really, it's not hard, but like it's very thick. Like the cords are thick, they're good. Maybe if you keep like messing around with it, it will wear and tear. I don't know about that. I can't say for sure, but that's what maybe after long-term use. So definitely, just to get the job done, I think, and for the price point, I think this is definitely worth something to invest in for your laptop. And also, disclaimer, the brand gave me this product to give my honest opinion on it, and I just want to let you guys know about that. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know, so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.